Hi everyone, my name is Ryagalla Sai Charan. I am from Hyderabad, Telangana. I completed my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Anurag group of institutions which is located in Hyderabad in the year 2022. After completing my BTech, I joined in a manufacturing industry as a graduate engineer trainee. Then later, for the career growth, I want to switch my career from manufacturing industry to the IT sector. Then I came to know about Evision Technoserve by my friend who is got placed in IT sector with the help of Evision Technoserve. Then with the reference of him, I have joined in Evision Technoserve in 2025 March. Then I took coaching and listened all classes completely perfectly and regularly. Then I got placed in HCL Tech with a package of 3.5 in Hyderabad location. I got placed with the help of Asian Technoserve with the very great team, and Ganesh sir, Sati ma'am, Priya ma'am has helped me very well, and they had cleared all the doubts at any time, even it is a day night, and with the help of them and their support, I have got placed in the HCL Tech. Thank you.